Good morning. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. How are
Good
you,
morning.
ma'am? Good morning, ma'am. How
I'm
are you,
doing
ma'am?
good, my
Good
dear.
morning, ma'am. How are
Last class, we discussed two new words. Which are the two new words we discussed?
you? Early and later.
Very good. It's earlier and later. E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier. And the other word is later. L-A-T-E-R. Later. So earlier or later are words used for events happening at different times. And here earlier means the activity which is happening before. And later is the activity which is happening after some time. And if you're discussing two activities, that is having breakfast and going to school. So which one is earlier and which one is later? Having breakfast and going to schools. Which one is earlier? Breakfast. Having breakfast is earlier and going to school is later. Okay. So this we can write in the notebook, that sentence. Then we can move to the next new topic. Okay. So please take a notebook, all of you. Please take a notebook.
Today is not
Yes, Emmanuel.
Take a fresh page.
Today
Today is not prayer.
we all completed the prayer. take notebook.
After 2 months.
Take a fresh page. Now at the top we can write chapter 6, time. C-H-A-P-T-E-R. Chapter 6. And the name of chapter is, yes, you have to write T-I-M-E. Time. Chapter 6, time.
See the book.
You please wait for some time. Sometimes you may see the board after some time. You are facing the network issue, that's why. Chapter 6, time. Chapter C-H-A-P-T-E-R. Chapter
Chapter 6.
6.
X-I-S-S 6.
And the name of the chapter is time. T-I-M-E. Time.
Six times.
Now below this heading you can write E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier or later.
Later.
The two new words, earlier or later.
Or later.
First letter capital letter എഴുതാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് നോക്കി.
E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier. E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier. Or later. L-A-T-E-R. Later. Earlier or later. Are words A-R-E. Are words. Earlier spelling E-A-R-L-I-E-R. earlier. The other word later. Later. Later.
And what is Ariel?
Which word?
Ariel.
Earlier. Earlier is E-A. E-A-R. L-I-E-R. Earlier. E-A-R-L-I-E-R. Earlier. The other word later. L-A-T-E-R. Later. Earlier or later are words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. W-O-R-D-S. Words. Earlier or later are words. Used. U-S-E-D. U-S-E-D. Used. F-O-R. Used for earlier or later are words used for U-S-E-D. Used. F-O-R. For events. Here the events are the activities used for events. Here the events means the activities we are doing in a day. Earlier or later are words used for events. E-V-E-N-T-S. Events.
Ma'am, what is before?
What is?
നല്ല മാസ്ക് നല്ല മാസ്ക് Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Not stuck. Earlier or later are words used for events happening. H-A-P-P-E-N-I-N-G. H-A-P-P-E-N-I-N-G. Happening. Earlier or later are words used for events happening at.
Tell us the spellings, please.
Earlier or later are words used for events happening at. Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different times. Only one sentence you have to write in the notebook. Only one sentence today. Earlier or later are words used for events happening at different times. Earlier or later are words used for events happening. 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 At different times.
Finish.
After that, you can close your notebook. Earlier or later are words used for events happening at different times.
And Chelsea finish. Ma'am, what is USED? You wanna finish?
Which one?
USED.
USED, used. USED, used. We are using these two words. The words are earlier or later.
Ma'am, jawab. Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, jawab. Ma'am, Rishikesh has completed.
Okay, good. Rishikesh, will you read the sentence?
Ma'am, I didn't full completed.
Rishikesh, read the sentence.
Earlier or later are not
Words
words
used for
for events
happening
happening
at different times.
at different times.
Anirudh, read the sentence. Anirudh, read the sentence.
Chapter 6, time.
Earlier,
Earlier or
later,
are
words used for
used for
events happening at
at
different
different
times.
times.
Okay, let me stop sharing. All of you are completed?
Yes.
Okay, so you can close here.
No.
Okay, please complete it.
Yes. What is DEFFENT?
Different. DIFFERENT. Different.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay. Times. TIMES. Times.
Completed, ma'am.
Now, we are going to the new topic. Okay. It's very simple. That is parts of the day. Parts of the day. We have parts of the body, no? Parts of the body. The same way we have parts of the day. Which are the parts of the day? Parts of the day. Say me. Say me louder. Morning. Yes. After morning we have morning, afternoon, evening, and the last one? Night. Very good. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We can go in an order. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. See, we will do some activities in the morning time. Some we will do in the afternoon time. Some we will do in the evening time. And some other activities at night. Let us see what all things we will do in the morning time. Who will tell morning time what all activities we will do? Okay, tell me.
Wait.
Abel is ready to tell. Abel, tell me which all activities you will do in the morning time. We can go in an order. Waking up, okay. After that, after that, brush my teeth. Okay, good. Then after brushing, take a bath, having breakfast, going to school. So these all activities we are doing in morning time. Okay. Again, please see parts of the day. We have 4 parts of the day. They are morning, afternoon, evening, and night. We are doing activities in morning time, afternoon time, evening time, and night time also. And we are doing some activities. The activities are waking up, brush my teeth, have a bath, having breakfast, and going to school. So these activities we will do in the morning time. Okay. Now let us see what about the afternoon time. What all of activities we will do at afternoon time. Yes, afternoon. Okay, Devana, tell me what all activities we will do in the afternoon time. I have my lunch in the afternoon. Yes. You have some online classes after the afternoon time. Also, you have online classes, so you may study. Okay, then
Sometimes sleeping.
you will take a nap. That's also good. See? Take a nap. Nap means a short sleep. So these you will do in the afternoon time. Then what about evening time? What about evening time? You will play with your friends. You may go to park, or you will do your homework. Yes, these activities you will do in the evening time. Then what about the night? What about night?
TV.
Watching television. Okay.
Study.
Study. Yes. Having dinner. Very good. You will brush your teeth once again. Brush your teeth once again. And the last activity, that is going to bed. Okay, sleep. So some activities we will do in the morning time, some we will do in the afternoon time, some in the evening, and some at night. Okay. Of the day, which are the different parts of the day? Kevin, which are the parts of the day?
Sun rises.
Parts of the day. Morning. Afternoon.
Morning, afternoon,
Evening and night. Tell me one activity which you will do in the morning. Any one activity. Brush my teeth. Okay, brush my teeth. Okay. Deva, what is the next part of the day? After morning we have? After morning we have?
noon.
After the morning we have afternoon. Tell me one activity you will do in the afternoon, Deva. One activity you will do in the afternoon. What time you have your lunch? Deva, can you hear? What time you have your lunch?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. So you have your lunch in the afternoon. That is one activity. Okay. Now after the afternoon we have evening. Tell me one activity, Rayan Sandeep, that you will do in the evening time. Evening. Any one activity you will do in the evening time. Any one activity at the evening time? When you are playing or when you go to park?
Playing.
Playing. You will play with your friends in the evening, or you will go to park in the evening. Okay, then the last one, night. Any one activity, Dean?
Night.
Any one activity you will do at the time, at night?
Sleep.
Sleep, the last activity of the day.
Having
Go to
dinner.
sleep. Okay, good. Now, all of you, please take your textbook. Take textbook, all of you, take textbook.
Then part 2.
Take textbook, part 2, page number 16. The same page you can see on the screen also. Page number 16. Textbook, part 2, page number 16. Deva, did you take the textbook? Page number 16.
Yes. Workbook or textbook?
Textbook. It's already sent the message. You have to be ready with the textbook part 2. So let's start. You
Yes.
got the same page.
Yes.
And here we have the following table list the activities done in a day. See, the following table list the activities done in a day. And you can see the activity, you can see the part of the day, what time that activity is taking place. Now, waking up, the first activity, waking up. What's the time or when we are when it is happening? It's written here, early morning. Okay, no need to write anything. Listen. Next one, brushing the teeth. When? Morning and at night. We are brushing our teeth twice in a day. So morning and at night. Now, next one, many activities with the classmates, with your friends in the school. So it is happening at the daytime. You can say afternoon also correct. Okay, it's happening at the daytime. Now, doing homework. When? Doing homework when? Which parts of the day?
Evening.
Evening. It's evening. Now the last one, going to bed. When?
Night.
Night. Now you can see the next table. Their activity is written, but you have to write part of the day. Now let's write part of the day.
Ma'am, they were already completed.
Okay. That's why you're not listening. So here we have the first one, my activity. Here we have the first one, that is, I take a bath and get dressed for school. What time?
In
Or
the
which part of the day?
In the morning.
Morning. Okay, so you can write there morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. I will write here also M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. I take a bath and get dressed for school. Which
Excuse
part
me,
of the day? It's morning.
Ma'am.
M-O-R-N-I-N-G.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I go to toilet.
Yes. Now we have the next one. I have my breakfast. Which part of the day?
In the
I have my breakfast.
morning.
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 So you can write the same word once again. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. I have my breakfast in the morning. The first meal of the day. I have my breakfast in the morning.
Complete, ma'am.
Now we can move to the next one. I go to school. Which part of the day?
Morning.
Morning. So we can write once again morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. Now the next one. I have my lunch. Which part of the day?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Right, afternoon.
Afternoon. Afternoon.
A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N. Afternoon. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N. Afternoon. I have my lunch in the afternoon.
What is the next question?
Now the next one, I go to play with my friends.
Good evening.
Good evening. So which part of the day? Evening. Which part of the day? Evening. The spelling E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening. Eve. Evening. N-I-N-G. Evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Evening. I go to play with my friends. It's in the evening. The next one, very easy. I have my dinner. Night. I have my dinner at night. N-I-G-H-T. N-I-G-H-T. Night. I have my dinner at night. Sometimes small children know they may take before night. That means they may take at 7 o'clock and all. Actually, this evening is up to 8 o'clock, we can say. Evening. After that, we can say night. So sometimes you can write a evening also. In the video also, you may heard it is in the evening. It's okay, no problem. If sometimes it may be in the evening or night. I have my dinner night.
Has completed.
Okay, good. Now, here we have the different parts of the day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. Everyone completed? Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Yes,
Okay. So these words know the parts of the day. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. That you have to write and study 3 times in the rough book. Now you can start. Understood? Take the rough book, write and study 3 times these 4 words, the parts of the day. Morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Only 3 times. Each word 3 times. You can start now. Parts of the day. 4 words. If you have the rough book, you can write in that. Otherwise, you can take the back page of the notebook and write and study 4 words 3 times. Each 3 times. The first one, morning.
The class.
You can continue now. It's only 26, 12:26. We have 4 more minutes. So you can continue. The first word, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning.
Pencil. Ma'am, I got the spelling morning.
Tell me the spelling, Karthik.
M-O-R-N-I-G-I-N-G.
Once again, Karthik.
Okay, ma'am. M-O-R-N-I-G.
Okay. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Very good. Now, if you have completed 3 times, you can move to the next one. Afternoon. Akshat is present today. Akshat.
And our finish.
Yes. What about Joseph? Joseph Johans is present. Joseph. Joseph is absent. Jovak is present, I know.
Completed.
Okay. Jovak, tell me the spelling morning. Jovak, tell me the spelling morning. Say and write the spelling, okay? You can mute your device, say and write.
Thank you.
Jawab. Tell me the spelling morning. That only you have completed. You take your notebook, take the last page and write and study these 4 words in the notebook 3 times each. Morning, afternoon, evening, night.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
know afternoon spelling.
Yes, Chelsea.
I know the afternoon spelling.
Tell me the spelling then.
Afternoon.
Okay, good. Now, evening, eve, E-V-E, ning, N-I-N-G, evening. Now, the last one, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Sriram Priya is present today, Sriram Priya. Sriram, are you present? Absent. All others are present. Did you write and study 5 times the 2 words yesterday given earlier and later? Yes? Earlier and later? Did you write and study?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So today 4 words. Write and study only 3 times. Okay. So you can continue. Okay, writing and studying. You can continue 4 new words. New. But the spelling you have to study anyway. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye. Not only that, you will have a test paper on Tuesday edition. Okay.